I bought an XTRONS Multimedia system with Android software for my BMW. The package included displays with installation instructions, connection cables, the option to connect to the original audio system, and additional buttons that are installed in place of the cup holder. To install the new multimedia screen, I started by removing the air vent, which needs to be pulled out, disconnecting the cable, and unplugging the wire from the switch. Next, I unscrewed and removed the ventilation control unit and the audio system unit. First, I pulled out the wire intended for the additional buttons. Then I pulled out the USB cables, which will be located in the glove compartment area. Up to the front windshield pillar, I routed the 4G antenna, first removing the decorative plastic and the glove compartment housing. I attached the antenna wire along the existing wiring line, and later put everything back in the same order as I had disassembled it. Since there was enough space, I attached the navigation speaker and the GPS antenna, which came in the set, under the display housing. I also pulled the remaining wires up to where the display will be located. I had to saw off the original plastic spacer, which was preventing the Android unit from fitting in place, and I also had to slightly enlarge the screw holes, as they didn't quite line up with the original ones. Next, I connected all the wires. It's impossible to make a mistake when connecting, because each connector fits only in its designated place. I screwed the radio and ventilation units back in the same order as I disassembled them. I turned on the Android multimedia system. The speed and screen quality are good, but unfortunately I couldn't get the sound to work because for BMW X3 models up to 2006, there is no AUX output. So I will either install the AUX output myself later or take it to a specialist.